Did you guys hear that? All them geese. They'll be coming this way here in a minute. Look at them right there. Look at them all. Holy cow. There they go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I was hoping they'd be flying overhead. At least we got to see a little bit of them. Maybe they'll circle back. Nope. Oh, there they are. Some of them. Them things sure are pissed. But they sure are pretty flying all the way overhead like that. Good morning, cows. Looks like I done pretty good back in my manure spreader in. Could come back just about that much more, but I'm not gonna chance it. The truck driver has to go around and hit the tires anyway, so we'll let him a little room to get through. It takes skill to cut and put letters back to the way they were. Man. I could never do that good. I know I couldn't. I'd have to have practice first, and that'd just be a waste of decals. So I'm going to do, first of all, is shut this door. Because I don't want the new truck getting all dusted up when I go to blow my cab out. Because that wouldn't make Dad very happy. Is getting dust all over a brand new truck. It's kind of like a mini toolbox under the seat. Everything from egg cartons to this kind of stuff, to earphones, to shop towels, you know, brooms, what have you. Spare CB coax. Don't really know why that's in here. Cleaner. Spare mic. Why is that in here? I don't know. But I figured since it's a holiday, we're not doing nothing. It'd be a good opportunity to take and clean this thing out. So I'm gonna try this cleaner stuff that Mom bought me for Christmas last year, I think it was. You're supposed to be able to use it on upholstery. Because I'm not really a big fan of Armor All anymore because it attracts dust so bad. I mean, as you can tell, that's just from blowing it off with a with an air hose. But I'm gonna try this stuff and see if it lasts if the shine lasts any longer. But as you guys know, it's just so darn hard to keep dust and stuff out of stuff when you're on a farm, and it don't matter if you run the air, keep the doors shut all the time, the windows up all the time or not. There's somehow, some way, dust is going to find its way in, and I don't know how that is. Ooh, am I even doing this right? I mean, I guess. Maybe? I don't know. This is my first time using this stuff. It doesn't really say how long to let it sit for. I guess it's all right to go ahead and start rubbing. Or, I mean, yeah, wiping off. I'm like really nervous. I don't know why. Here we go. It's coming out clean. You can see that door panel piece right there. I don't know, it just said don't overlap. And I'm like, okay. But I don't know. So far, so good. Get that crease real good right there in the door. I'll bring it back when it's all the way. Or is it supposed to dry like that, maybe? I don't know. This is my first time using this stuff. Ooh, I really don't think I'm supposed to let it dry. Oops. Oh boy. That don't look too bad. Bring you guys back when I get the rest of it done. So I think what I'm doing wrong with this stuff is I'm doing too big of an area. I think you're supposed to only do like a little bit and then let it sit for like, oh, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. And then you're supposed to just, and then come in and just wipe the stuff off. I don't know. Like I says, I'm new to this stuff. It's not like, yeah, Armor All, where it just kind of comes out in like a mist. Don't think I should have done them cup holders, because that's gonna be a pain in the bahookie to get all this stuff out of here. Yeah, so I really don't think you're supposed to let this stuff dry. You're supposed to move with it. It's getting there. So I got the inside pretty much all cleaned out. It is really, really clean. And I even took and did back here a little bit, as much as I could reach. Slid the seat all the way forward. Done kind of underneath the seat and stuff like that. And now I'm gonna try and clean the back window. Never works out like I wanted to anyhow because of the headache rack, but I don't want to go and take the thing off and then not be able to get the thing back on. Because I got the CB antenna bolted to it and everything. I guess all I'd have to do is just undo that coax there and everything will be all right. But I don't think I'm going to tackle that job of taking the headache rack off. It feels so much better having a clean gator. A clean anything for that.